I was on my way to Daytona. I had my race gear in my pack when a stranger pulled up beside me in a stock car painted black. He was dressed like a NASCAR driver, mustache with mirrored eyes. Said, "It's a long walk to Florida. Would you like a ride, son?" So I crawled across the roll cage as he fired that Chevy up. The patch on his sleeve said the man had won 7 Winston Cups. His eyes were intimidated as he rode into the night, and I knew there was something strange about this ride. He said, "Boy, can you make fans stand and scream your name? Can you hit them in the rear and grab another gear and still roll into victory lane?" He said, "Boy, do you know how it feels to run 3 wide? 'Cause if you're Daytona bound, let me warn you, you're in for a ride." Then he cried when we got to Daytona as he pulled onto the track, and he said, "This is where you get out, boy, 'cause number 3 ain't coming back." As I crawled out of the race car, I said, "Thanks, I'll catch you later." He said, "It'll be tough catching me, boy, 'cause I'm the intimidator." He said, "Boy, do you make fans stand to scream your name? Can you hit them in the rear and grab another gear, still roll into victory lane?" He said, "Boy, do you know how it feels to run 3 wide? 'Cause if you're Daytona bound, let me warn you, you're in for a ride." He said, "Boy, can you make fans stand and scream your name? Can you hit him in the rear and grab another gear, still roll into victory lane?" He said, "Boy, do you know how it feels to run 3 wide? 'Cause if you're Daytona bound, let me warn you, you're in for a ride. If you're Daytona bound, let me warn you, you're in for a ride." You've been riding with a legend. It's a fast ride.